evening, everyone. Today we will be working with solving linear system of equations by cross multiplication and elimination. Please like, comment, subscribe, and donate on the Cash App to with the $ up front, MLBFAN. Again, the username on Cash App is with the $ up front, MLBFAN, to support this channel. Here we see two linear system of equations in the form of x plus 5 divided by 2 equals 6 minus 4y divided by 3, and 3x divided by 5 is equal to 21 minus 7y divided by 10. Here we need to incorporate parentheses around the binomials. The binomials consist of two terms, so that includes x plus 5, 6 minus 4y, and 21 minus 7y. Again, the linear system of equations include x plus 5 divided by 2 is equal to 6 minus 4y divided by 3, and 3x divided by 5 is equal to 21 minus 7y divided by 10. So let's get started. We will begin solving on the next page. So x plus 5 divided by 2 is equal to 6 minus 4y divided by 3. So we need to cross multiply so that will turn into 3 times x plus 5 is equal to 2 times 6 minus 4y. So now we will begin the distribution process on the left-hand side and right-hand side of the equation. So that it will be 3 times x plus 3 times 5 is equal to 2 times 6 minus 4y times 2. So that will turn into 3x plus 15 is equal to 12 minus 8y. Later on in the problem, we will be solving by elimination, and x and y must be on the same side of the equation to use the elimination process. So let's subtract 15 from both sides. And so 3x is equal to negative 3 minus 8y. And then we can add 8y to the other side of the equation. And now we will have 3x plus 8y is equal to negative 3. So now we have x and y on the same side. And so let's look at the other equation in the form of 3x divided by 5 is equal to 21 minus 7y divided by 10. Okay? So now we need to cross multiply. So this will become 3x times 10 is equal to 5 times 21 minus 7y. So 3x times 10 is 30x. And then we need to distribute on the right-hand side of the equation. So 5, that will become 5 times 21 minus 7y times 5. And let's rewrite that a little bit larger there. So 30x is equal to 5 times 21 minus 7y times 5. So this will equal 30x is equal to 105 minus 35y. So we need to add 35y to the other side of the equation. So this will turn into 30x plus 35y is equal to 105. Now we have our second linear system of equations that we could put together to utilize the elimination process. So now we have 3x plus 8y is equal to negative 3, and 30x plus 35y is equal to 105. So now we want to eliminate x here. So 3 goes into 30 10 times, and one of the rows must be multiplied with a negative to eliminate. So I'm going to multiply the first row by negative 10, and that means we have to distribute to each term in the row. So it's going to be negative 10 times 3x plus 8y times negative 10 equals negative 3 times negative 10. Okay, and so that's going to turn into negative 30x minus 80y is equal to 30. And so now we're ready to go to the next step. So now that becomes negative 30x minus 80y is equal to 30. And then the second equation stays the same. So 30x plus 35y is equal to 105. So now we need to simplify this. So in order to simplify this, draw our line there. And so we need to see negative 30x plus 30x will be 0. Now, negative 80y plus 35y will equal negative 45y. And then 30 plus 105 is 135. So this is going to equal 135. So let's let this marinate for a little bit here, and then we'll move on to the next step. Okay. So let's get started. So negative 45y is equal to 135. So we need to divide both sides by negative 45. and that would be the next step. So we divide both sides by negative 45, and then we will obtain y is equal to negative 3. Now we need to go back to the equation at the very beginning that we started with, because now we know what the y value is equal to. We could use equation 1 or equation 2. And so I am going to choose equation 2, in which includes 3x divided by 5 is equal to 21 minus 7y divided by 10. We know y is equivalent to negative 3, and we need to solve for x. So 3x divided by 5 is equal to 21 minus 7 times negative 3, all over 10. And the y gets replaced with negative 3 because we found the solution for y. So 3x divides 5 is equal to 21 minus a negative 21 all over 10. So 3x divides 5 is equal to 42 over 10. So we can cross multiply 3x times 10 is equal to 5 times 42. So we're going to obtain 30x is equal to 5 times 42. And which is going to consist of 210. And then we divide both sides by 30. And x will equal 7. Now we have our solutions to the equation. So we found our Cartesian coordinate that will satisfy both equations, and that is in the form of x is equal to 7 and y is equal to negative 3. So we put this in the form of 7 comma negative 3. The 7 represents the x coordinate and negative 3 represents the y coordinate. So if you need math help, text 559-744-3169 for services. Please donate on the Cash App with the $ up front, MLBFan. And again, my Cash App is with the $ up front, MLBFAN. Thank you so much, and let's learn math together. I tutor for multiple levels of mathematics, by the way, at the university, college, middle, and high school levels. Please text me about the math class that you need help, and you will receive a prompt response via text. Thank you once again.